Do you have this Wi-Fi issue on your Android phone? It tries to obtain IP address but never connects? Well, I've been suffering from this for a long time, but I've recently found a workaround. Here's how to work it. Turn off your Wi-Fi, then hit the menu button and choose Advanced. Now you need to check the static IP option. You also need to fill in the fields you see below. Just make sure they are valid. Also make sure you enter different DNS IP addresses in each DNS field, because without both, this workaround fails. Now go back and try connecting to your wireless network. It should quickly search it and disconnect several times. If this happens, then you're on the right track. Now only one step remains. You have to return to the advanced settings and disable the static IP option. Now once you exit this screen, it should automatically connect your Android phone to your wireless network. I hope this workaround works for you.